In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you the capabilities of this rotary hoe. It is the GT44 model available from Allied Imports. It's not particularly designed for this purpose, but I just wanted to show what this small tiller can actually do and how easy it is to use. These machines are known by different names such as rotary hoe, cultivator or tiller, and they were not designed to dig a trench. However, I thought I'd try it because I had to install some drainage in my backyard and I don't like digging. So I decided to give this tiller a go and just see how it performed. The rotary hoe performed way better than I had imagined. It saved me a lot of digging by hand because I don't like it. I just had to shovel out the loose dirt. I don't like that either, but it's a lot easier than actually digging the trench. These units are designed for tilling garden beds, but once I started using this tiller, I could see just how capable it was. The engine is a 52cc single cylinder 2-stroke. The fuel mix is 25:1 and there is very little maintenance required. And at just under 2 horsepower, in fact it's 1.9 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, you can see just how consistent this unit breaks through the ground, even under load. There are 4 6-blade cutters that are made of high quality steel which provides a longer product life. The total weight of the unit is around 16.5 kilos, so anybody can use it with ease. And as you can see, it is digging into this trench quite well. And I've dug this complete trench with this unit. I've done a run through with the tiller and then simply shoveled out the loose dirt, and then I repeated the process. And as you can see, this unit is very easy to start. One pull and off it goes. When you want to stop the unit, there is a red push button located on the handlebars right next to the hand grip. You push the button down and it simply stops the engine. As you can see, it's starting to dig into the soil quite well, but it's just getting stuck on a couple of rocks and it's jumping around a little bit, and that's because these rocks are underneath the soil and this tiller is very small, so we can't expect it's going to dig out large rocks. So what I've done is I've moved on from the rock area, but the tiller has loosened up the soil around the rock, and all I need to do is go back to the rock with a shovel and dig it up. As digging down further and further, the tilling depth in the specification sheet is 90mm. Now obviously we're going deeper than that. But you can see the wheels on the rear of the unit. The height of these wheels can be adjusted to alter the tilling depth to keep the tiller level, which is what you want to do when you're digging in a garden bed to give you consistent depth of your cut across the whole garden bed. The cutting width for this unit is 250mm. And we're just finishing up this trench here now, and shortly you'll see a photo of the overall trench that I've actually dug with this little machine. There it is right there, but going back over the area with the rocks, you can see that these rocks are of a reasonable size, especially when you're a small tiller, and these rocks become easy to dig out, and you can see that I'm not putting a lot of effort into digging this soil to get these rocks out. Now I've dug a little further and I've found this rock right here because the tiller was bouncing around earlier, and you can see with this rock that I'm just about to dig out right now, you can see the marks on the top of the rock, and that's from the blades of the tiller. The good thing is that the quality blades did not bend as a result of hitting these rocks. So for more information, go to alliedimports.com.au.